The perfect start for your farm dream. Dreaming of farm life but don't have acres of land? Start right in your backyard with rabbits. Rabbits are quiet, efficient, and require little space or money to get started. They turn simple plants into healthy protein faster than almost any other animal. You can raise them in a garage corner, a small shed, or a backyard section, perfect for suburban or urban homesteads. Rabbits are easy to care for and need only basic daily attention. Their rapid reproduction means your small start can quickly grow into a productive enterprise. A single doe can have several litters a year, providing plenty of healthy meat for your family, and maybe even extra to sell. This is how you build a real, profitable farm business, one small step at a time. It's about creating value, building community, and taking control of your food security. Rabbits are more than animals. They're an opportunity to build a better life. You don't need a big barn or a huge budget, just a willingness to learn and a desire to grow. Start small and let your rabbitry grow with you. The journey is simple, rewarding, and within your reach. Rabbits, the perfect first step for your farm dream. Now let's talk about getting started. Build simple cages from wood and wire mesh. No need for expensive equipment. Wire mesh floors keep rabbits clean and healthy by letting manure fall through. Each cage should be roomy enough for movement, about 30 by 36 inches, 18 inches high. Stack cages to save space and protect them from sun, wind, and rain with a roof or shed. Provide each doe a nesting box for safe, comfortable birthing. Once housing is ready, choose healthy, active rabbits from a local clean breeder. Look for bright eyes, smooth fur, and alertness. Avoid any that seem sick or lethargic. For meat, New Zealand white or Californian breeds are excellent choices. Start with 1 buck and 2 or 3 does, a manageable group for beginners. This small start lets you learn without being overwhelmed. As you gain experience, expand your rabbitry naturally. Good housing and healthy stock are the foundation of success. Keep it simple, clean, and efficient. Your rabbits will thrive, and so will your farm dream. Begin with confidence and watch your rabbitry grow. Feeding your rabbits can be natural and affordable. Mimic their wild diet: grass, weeds, and leaves. Fresh green forage and quality hay like alfalfa or timothy should be the mainstay. Supplement with untreated lawn clippings, dandelions, clover, and kitchen scraps like carrot tops and beet greens. Introduce new foods slowly to avoid digestive issues. Avoid sugary fruits. Think of them as treats, not staples. Offer branches like willow or apple for chewing and enrichment. This approach saves money and keeps your rabbits healthy. Always provide fresh, clean water. Check it daily, especially in hot weather. Use sturdy water bottles or bowls that can't be tipped over. A well-fed, hydrated rabbit is a healthy, productive rabbit. Use what you have, turn waste into value. Feeding rabbits nature's way is simple, sustainable, and effective. In organic rabbit farming, prevention is key. Clean, wire-bottom cages keep rabbits away from manure and prevent disease. Regular cleaning and daily observation help you spot problems early. Keep their environment calm, quiet, and well-ventilated to reduce stress and illness. Handle rabbits gently and avoid sudden changes. Good airflow prevents respiratory issues. An open-air shed often works best. Healthy rabbits come from good management, not medication. Now, the bonus rabbit manure is black gold for your garden. It's safe to use directly, no composting needed, and packed with nutrients. Collect manure easily with trays or bedding under cages. Spread it on your garden or make manure tea for your plants. This closed-loop system feeds both your animals and your soil. Your garden will thrive and you'll save on fertilizer costs. Build fertility and wealth from the ground up, literally. Healthy rabbits, healthy soil, healthy farm. Your rabbitry is thriving. Now turn it into a rewarding business. The demand for local healthy meat is growing. Start by selling to friends, family, and neighbors. Let them taste the difference. Expand to farmers markets and sell live rabbits or manure to gardeners. Multiple income streams from one simple animal. Low startup and feed costs mean high profit potential. But the rewards go beyond money. It's about lifestyle, self-reliance, and satisfaction. Teach your family where food comes from and enjoy building something meaningful. The rhythm of caring for animals connects you to the land and seasons. Ready to start? Begin small, learn as you go, and enjoy the journey. For supplies and community, visit the Agric for Profits Marketplace. For guides and support, check out our website and online academy. We're here to help you succeed. Start building your farm dream, one rabbit at a time.